Welcome to YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories, handling of MCQs and numericals will be easy. Also welcome to the ICSE Class 10 Physics Best MCQ video series. We have designed this Best MCQ video series with lot of care. Here we are providing you high quality MCQs. We will be starting from very basic fundamental level and we will be moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQs we are providing you explanations so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. This is just not a video, this is a mock test. With each and every MCQ we are providing you timer with reasonable time so that you can get to your option before we take you to the answer. This will be around 15-minute video, and here we are providing you 10 number high quality MCQs. So if you calculate, you will find that you are getting a very high learning volume to time spent ratio. So we will suggest you to go through the entire video, enjoy the high quality MCQs and take the learning from it. We have already uploaded high quality MCQ videos for your earlier chapters from chapter 1 to 5 and chapter 6a. This is for chapter 6b, that is electromagnetic spectrum. Here comes the first MCQ. Electromagnetic waves in descending order, you need to arrange a set of rays have been given under 4 options. Now you have to arrange them in order of decreasing wavelength. You have got 10 seconds time here. Your time starts now. If you require more time, do pause the video, take your time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is in order of decreasing wavelength. It is radio wave, infrared wave, visible rays and X-rays. That is option C. Many of you already have memorized this sequence, but in case some of you have not, please remember this acronym GXUVIMR. GXUVIMR. What is that? That is the electromagnetic rays in frequency from high to low. That is gamma, X, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave and radio wave. So the acronym you need to remember is GXUVIMR. Next MCQ. Electromagnetic wave or waves which has wavelength above 1 millimeter is or are 6 options given here. You need to find out which electromagnetic waves have got wavelength of 1 millimeter and above. You have got 15 seconds time here. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option F, that is C and D, that is microwave and radio wave. They have got wavelength more than 1 millimeter. Now microwave wavelength is 1 millimeter to 10 millimeter and radio wave is from 10 meter to 10 kilometer. Again, microwave from 1 millimeter to 10 meter, radio wave from 10 meter to 10 kilometer. This is not a very sharp boundary, there are overlaps, but only thing here is for these two wavelengths, this distance given here is understandable for you. So you may face questions like this: which wave has got wavelength of 100 meter? So these distances are understandable for us, so these areas are important. So anyway, for this answer, option is option F, that is microwave and radio wave, they have got wavelength of more than 1 millimeter. Next MCQ. Two MCQs here together. Which of the following has minimum wavelength and which EM wave is most harmful for human body? 4 options for both the cases. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is, for both the cases, it is gamma rays. Just now we have, in the previous MCQ, we have seen that gamma rays have got the highest frequency. So if it is the highest frequency, wavelength will be minimum, because this relation you need to remember forever, that is lambda into f is equal to c. Lambda is wavelength, f is frequency, that is equal to speed of light. So electromagnetic waves have got the speed of light in vacuum. So the relationship is lambda into f is c. So gamma rays have got the maximum frequency, minimum wavelength. And in fact, gamma ray is most harmful for human body. It has got maximum penetrative power. Next MCQ. Which of the following rays or wave is called heat radiation? 4 options, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Here, these kind of questions are memory based. You need to remember many informations from this chapter. So please make sure that you have your own ways of remembering it. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is infrared wave. So suppose you are sitting beside a fireplace and you are getting the heat, you are getting that heat wave coming from there. That is basically infrared wave. That is called heat radiation. Next MCQ. The wave used for artificial satellite for communication is microwave, infrared wave, radio wave, X-ray. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is microwave. This artificial satellite, they communicate through microwave. Hope you are liking this video. Your response is important to us. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Let's continue. Next MCQ. Which of the following electromagnetic wave is used to destroy cancer cell? There are 4 options given, 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. These cases you should not require 10 seconds because these are memory based information, so you should be immediately be able to come to the option. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is gamma ray. So gamma ray has got many distinctions. Be careful about it. Next MCQ. The ray with maximum energy is infrared, visible ray, gamma rays, ultraviolet, X-ray, or all electromagnetic waves have same energy. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is again gamma rays. So gamma rays have got the maximum energy. Next MCQ. The ray that travels the fastest in vacuum is, again, 6 options for you. You need to choose from infrared, visible, gamma, ultraviolet, X-ray, and whether all electromagnetic waves have got the same speed in vacuum. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is all electromagnetic waves have same speed in vacuum, that is speed of light. Next MCQ. You need to match 2 columns. Left one is electromagnetic waves, right one is source of those waves. So 7 rays have been listed with 7 options for different sources. So you need to match them. You need to match from the given options. You need to choose from the given options. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. You have got freedom to take extra time. So you can pause the video. You can take your time, get your option and come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Let's do the arrow exercise. So option 1, gamma ray, that is 1. This side it will be Roman 13, that is radioactive substances. Gamma ray comes from radioactivity. Next one, X-ray. X-ray is from high energy electron striking high temperature metal. From that we generate X-ray. Third one, ultraviolet ray. It is from sunlight, arc lamp, or from spark. We know visible rays from sunlight and normal electric bulb. Infrared rays is from red hot bodies, from thyroid filament lamps. Microwave, it is created by electronic oscillators. Radio wave from transmitters. So here the option is option D. Next MCQ, in fact last MCQ of this video. Here also you need to match two columns. From left one is electromagnetic waves, right one is the uses for those waves. So 7 waves have been listed here with 7 options for different uses. You need to match, you need to choose from the given options. 15 seconds time for you with your freedom to take extra time. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. Let's do the arrow analysis. So gamma ray, that is used for radiotherapy and to check welding. X-ray, that is radiography, that is normal X-ray diagnosis we do, and CT scan. CT scan is basically computer aided X-ray scanning. That is 2 is for Roman 15. Ultraviolet ray uses sterilization, gem purity check. You might have read in news that in many places because of this corona infection, this sterilization has been done through ultraviolet rays. That is 3 left side is Roman 9 of the right side. Then visible ray, normal human vision photography. Infrared, that is in your remote control you use infrared rays. In photography dark room, infrared ray is used. Microwave, that is for cooking, radar communication and satellite communication. Radio wave, that is for TV and radio transmission. So here the option is option B. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come up with many such videos. Bye bye till then.